What are the best free website builders on the market? Francis Brown says, if you want to use free website builder, then no issue, use free website builder site. Nowadays very website provide free service in the market. MassWeb is one of them and their service is unbelievable. You can't believe that until you use their services. MassWebs assist their clients with advancing any services, products, affiliates offers or assemble an organization of sites that go about as connection hotspots for their cache sites. MassWeb SEO website specialist organization makes fantastic, all-set SEO destinations in compact arranged that looks phenomenal on any device and program. MassWeb can accomplish in hours what it would require some investment to wrap up. MassWeb offers WordPress blogging service achieving for all intents and purposes everything for their client by making targeted keywords, targeted posts, articles, targeted images all appropriate to the purchaser's forte. Thoroughly Google safe text guaranteed. Spectra says, well, there's a lot of sites that offer this service, you can try Blogger, Wix, Squarespace. Their services are good, but you are gonna find some restrictions in the free version. I hope that this was helpful for you, all my wishes. Al Klein says, if you don't mind leaving your PC on the 24th of July 365, install XAMPP. Then build the site. Then forward port 80, or port 443 if you want to get an SSL certificate, in your router to your PC's internal IP address. Making that static might also be a good idea. How you do that depends on the router. Then use a dynamic IP service, like dynu.com, to give yourself a named address. Or use a site like Blogger or Wix and be bound by their rules. I've also run a site on a Raspberry Pi using the same things I used for a PC. Thanks for watching our video on what are the best free website builders on the market.